I was getting ready for a short break and wanted something simple for reading, so I picked up the Bigme B751C. Honestly, it turned out to be one of the best traveling decisions I have made. I spent a lot of time just relaxing outdoors, reading for hours, and this little device was perfect. It's compact, super light, and easy to slip into a small bag or even a jacket pockets. I use it mainly for my Kindle books, some PDFs, and a few other reading apps I installed. What I really liked is how comfortable it feels on the eyes, especially when you are reading for long sketches. Simple, practical, and just enjoy to use. Right out of the box, this thing feels light and sleek. It's just about 7mm thin and weighs about 212 grams, which makes it easy to hold for long reading or writing sessions. This included protective case and stylus add a lot of value here, so you are ready to jot notes or scratch right away. The Bigme B7 uses a 7-inch Kaleido 3-color e-ink display with a 300 ppi black and white resolution and 150 ppi color resolution. Text looks crisp, and when you switch to color, you get vibrant visual for comics, diagrams, or colorful notes without the eye strain you would get from regular LCD tablet. It also had the 36-level adjustable front light with both warm and cool tones, so you can fine-tune the lighting whether you are reading in the bright daylight or late at night. The included stylus and global writing support let you take notes anywhere on the screen because it's an open Android system, so you can install your favorite note, drawing, or productivity apps from Google Play. And there are physical page turn buttons, which feels great for flipping through content, especially if you are reading a book or scrolling through documents. Inside you have got an Octa-core 2.3 GHz CPU, which is good in this e-books devices category, and it has 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of internal storage, and plus support for up to 1 TB microSD expansion. That's plenty for large libraries of ebooks, PDF files, and note documents. Connectivity includes 2.4G and 5G Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 5.0, so you can stay connected for browsing, cloud syncs, or sharing files. And the battery here is about 2300 mAh, which will easily last through a day of reading and note taking because the ebook display is so powerful efficient, so you are not constantly searching for a charger. And there's no camera on this device, so it's literally focused on reading and productivity rather than media capture. This is an awesome option if you want a portable color e-paper tablet that lets you read, innovate, sketch, and take notes without eye strain. I think it's ideal for students, professionals, or anyone who wants a lightweight e-ink device that's more capable than a standard e-reader. Thanks for watching. If you like this device, get for yourself. In the description I have put the link, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.